Hi there, welcome back. In this section, we'll be talking about setting up your account and we'll be talking about account optimization. Why should I switch to a professional account? Or in other words, what is so great about a professional account when compared to a normal personal account? Okay, so the first reason why you should switch to a professional account is because in a professional account, you'll be able to see the page insights as well as the individual post insights. Now, as you can see on the screen, on the left you have a snippet of the page insights and on the right you have a snippet of the insights of one of my posts. Now, there is a famous quote that says, "You can't manage what you can't measure." So insights are basically all about numbers on how many people liked your post, how many people commented, how many people shared your post, how many people saved your post, then how many reach your post got, how much of them from your followers and how much of them were from your non-followers. Then we have other data like the top location, we have age range, then we have graphs and all those kinds of stuffs for our post insights as well as the page insights. So these tools are really helpful for our Instagram growth, and we'll be talking about these tools in the insights and demographics section. Okay, great. Now the second reason why you should switch to a professional account is because in a professional account you have the option to use Instagram promotions, or in other words, you have the option to run advertisements. Now as you can see on the screen, this is one of my posts, and now I've pointed my arrow to a button called Boost Post. So if you click on that, we'll be able to advertise this particular post. So at the moment you just need to know that if you click on that Boost Post icon, you will be able to advertise your post. And we'll be talking about advertising your Instagram post and other kinds of advertisements in the inorganic section of this course. Now let's take a look at the third reason why you should switch to a professional account. And the third reason why you should switch to a professional account is that you can organize your Instagram messages or direct messages efficiently. Don't get confused. Let me show you what I meant by messages can be organized efficiently. So as you can see on the screen, when you switch to a professional account, your messages or DMs as you call on Instagram will be divided into two sections, and that would be primary and general sections. Now a lot of people might be replying to your Instagram stories, and they might also be messaging you randomly as your page grows bigger and bigger. So this primary and general division feature can help you a lot. So what I do is that I send all the random messages of my followers in the general section, and the people I know or the accounts that have similar contents related to me or verified accounts, which most probably would be celebrities, I would put all of them on the primary section. So I hope you understand how useful this division of primary general is. So at the moment, if you're having a small number of following, then not a lot of people might be replying to your messages. But as your page grows, you would definitely require this messaging option. And in the case of a personal account, you don't have this division of primary and general. So I hope you understood how useful the professional account would be for organizing your messages. Now we have talked about all the advantages of a professional account, but there is actually one disadvantage of using a professional account over a personal account. Now on the screen, I have shown you a personal account. So you can see that I have to request this personal account or this page to follow them. So only when they accept my request, I'll be able to follow this page, or I will be following this page. So my point is that you have the privacy to choose who follows you in a personal account. But for a professional account, you don't have that privacy because you can't turn your professional account into a private account. But a personal account can always be made into a private account or a public account. So that is the only disadvantage that I find about professional accounts. So now let's get a bit practical. Now let me show you how to switch to a professional account. So as you can see on the screen, open the Instagram app first and click on my profile section at the bottom as shown on the image on the left. Now at the top right hand corner, you will see three parallel lines. Click on it. And after clicking on those three parallel lines, you should click on the settings tab as shown on the left image. After that, click on the account section as shown on the right image. Now after clicking into the account section, scroll to the bottom and you will see the switch to a professional account option. Click on that And now Instagram will ask you to choose the type of contents that you're going to post. You can be a digital creator, you can be a blogger, an artist, an education section, or you can be an entrepreneur, health and beauty, etc. So choose the type of niche that you are in. Now as you can see on the screen, on the left image I've chosen the title of writer. So you can click on done. And after clicking on done, Instagram would ask you, as shown on the right image, are you a creator? And they would ask you to choose between a creator account and a business account. So the creator account is best for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. And the business account is best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers. So choose whether you are a creator or whether you are a business. And as you can see on the screen, I've chosen creator and just click on next. And your account would be set up for a professional account and you'll be able to use the tools for professional accounts. I hope you understood why you should choose a professional account or a personal account, and also I hope that you know how to switch to a professional account just as I've shown.